Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product I received. Like you can see, it came in this box, and well, obviously about the shape of the box you can think that they are these beautiful shoes. Okay, these sneakers, I asked for them because I have the proposed in 2024 start doing another time exercise. So well, I like them a lot, and it comes with this protection. Okay, so I recommend you to save this one because really it protects a lot your shoes when you finish using it. And well, they look like this, and I think they are super incredible. Maybe well, I like to run and go to the gym, so I think these ones it will help a lot. And well, I like them a lot. I like that the shoes has like this part down because they are super comfortable, and it comes with this protection. Okay, so we're going to take them off, and I asked for this color and this design because I think that you can combine it with a lot of things that you put. Okay, and well, it looks like this. So I'm going to be putting them on, and I'm going to show you how beautiful they look. Okay, and here's the other one. It comes also with this protection. So I'm going to put them on, and then I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to be taking my shoe off, and I'm going to put this one on, and I'm going to show you. I choose the size 37, and it fits super perfect. Okay, so maybe that it will help you a lot to identify your correct size. And this is how they look. I'm going to put the other one, and well, right now that I just have one put it on, I can feel that like this part inside of the shoe, it's super comfortable, and it feels super different like in the sides, because some shoes sometimes it hurts me a lot. So well, these ones really they fit super comfortable. This is how they look. Well, I already have it put it on my two shoes, and really I recommend you a lot to ask for them if you want to start doing exercise, or also if you like just the design. I think you can use it like for all the day. Also, for example, I like to go a lot to parks, and well, I think with these ones I will feel super comfortable going like to attractions, you know. And well, also if you know how to combine it, you can use it like for day a day. And well, this is how they look, and really like it a lot.